Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you reading? Yes, children. In the last class, we have started. In the last two classes, we have started our chapter 6, A. Yes. In this class, we are going to see the uses of A. What are the uses of A? In the last class, what we have seen, the air exerts pressure. Okay, air exerts pressure and air exerts force. We have seen. Now we are going to see the uses of air. How the air is useful to us. Okay, children. Now, by listening the word air, okay, what you can say? We are breathing in and out daily. That is the routine for us. Yes, children. Without breathing, can we live? Can we survive on the earth? No, we can't live on the earth. So, air is an important role, an important thing which is playing an important role in our life. Now, let us see the uses of air. There are several uses of air. Let us study about them. Air is used for breathing. Children, the main source of the air is breathing. All the living beings breathe in and out. In what way? Let us see now. All living things need air to breathe. Breathing in is called inhalation and breathing out is called exhalation. When we breathe, we inhale fresh air which contains more oxygen. This fresh air is exchanged by the impure air in our lungs. The impure air, which contains more carbon dioxide, is then exhaled. Inhalation, exchange of gases, and exhalation together is called respiration. Children, what is this respiration? This is all we have seen in the chapter 2. As children, in chapter 1 and chapter 2, we have seen what is respiration, what is inhalation, what is exhalation, how we are taking in air and how we are releasing the air out. Yes, everything we have seen. Okay, the fresh air, the oxygen which is taken in, it is purifying the carbon dioxide, the air, impure air which is there in our lungs. Okay, and it is purifying and the bad air is removed out like carbon dioxide. Taking in oxygen and releasing out carbon dioxide, the impure air is purified by the breathing. Okay, that process is called as respiration. Okay, children, we have seen the breathing of inhalation and exhalation also. So, what it says, the air is used for breathing. Okay, all the living beings breathe in and out. By this, we can say that the air is very important to the living beings. Let us see the etc. Here, a few points are there and how, in what way the air is useful and how, in what way we are using the air. Okay, let us see the etc. points. We blow air from our mouths for many different purposes. Some of these are listed below. Children, we use the air in different forms. Okay, in different times also we use. In what way we are using? Let us see. First point, for whistling, for cleaning the spectacles, for playing musical instruments such as flute, and to get relief from any pain and swelling. Children, for whistling, do you know what is whistling? Yes, yeah, whistling. For whistling also we use our mouth, and even for cleaning the spectacles. If you see your grandparents, what they do, they blow some air onto the spectacles and they just rub it. Yes, what is that? They are blowing some air onto the spectacles and they just rub it. And even playing the musical instrument, flute, etc. Those are used with the help of the blowing of the air. And even if we are getting any pain, what we do? We say, or any fever or pain or swelling is there onto our body, then we say that, what is that? We release our pain in the form of air. That is the thing which that is the first point we see where we are using the air. Second point, to cool the hot things. For example, we blow air on hot milk. This is because the air we blow is cooler than the hot milk, and thus it will cool down enough for us to be able to drink it, for cooling down the hot things. If your mother is giving hot milk, children, what do? You directly drink it? No. You just make the hot milk cool. In what way you make it cool? By blowing the air. You say no? Yes. What is that? The hot milk, the air which is coming out from our mouth is cooler than the hot milk. So that the air coming out from our mouth makes the hot milk cool. Next one, for warmth. For example, in winter we blow air on our hands because the air that comes out from our lungs is warmer than cold air outside. In winter, for another example is what? In winter, we warm our hands. Yes, children? Yes, we rub our hands. How we say? We blow the air and we rub our hands. For what say? The air which is coming out from our lungs are warmer. When you are comparing the air from our lungs and the air which is present in the atmosphere are warmer. Okay, that is outside the air is cool and the inside air which we are blowing out, that is warm. So when you are blowing the air onto our hands, it becomes little warm. In the winter season, we like to be very warm, no children? Yes, in the same way, so that we use air from our mouth to warm our hands and to make our body warm. To keep a fire going, when we blow air gently at the base of a fire with a pipe, more oxygen comes in contact with the fuel and helps it to burn. Children, in the villages you see this. Okay, they use a pipe and they blow the air onto the fire. Yes, they put the sticks and they burn the fire, and they uses this pipe and they blow through the pipe to the fire. What happens that the oxygen which is coming out of our mouth is coming in contact with the air which is present outside, and it helps the sticks to burn very effectively. Okay, these are the few points, these are few uses where we use the air in our day-to-day life. Did you understand, children? Yes. Now let us see the next page here. Air is used for photosynthesis. As we all know, how the air is used for the photosynthesis? Yes, the plants are preparing their food material in the presence of air, sunlight and water. Yes, children, you know the definition of photosynthesis? Yes. Okay, the plants are preparing their own food material in the presence of sunlight, air and water, so that the air is helping the plants to grow in a good condition. In the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from air to prepare their food and release oxygen into the atmosphere. As we all know that humans take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay, what the plants are taking? It is taking carbon dioxide and releasing the fresh air called oxygen. Okay, children. Yes, this all we have seen in the previous lessons also. Now let us see that air is needed for burning. Air is needed for burning. Children, we all know that air is needed for burning. Okay, how it is air is needed for the burning? Now let us see some simple activity. Fire cannot burn in the absence of air. Oxygen present in air supports burning. Have you ever observed that a burning candle goes off when you cover it with an inverted glass or jar? When you cover the candle, the supply of air and hence oxygen is cut off and the candle stops burning. Children, see the picture here. Children, oxygen is required for burning. See here, whenever you lit the candle, yes, it is burning. If the glass is not there, you can see the burning of the candle, because the air which is present outside in the atmosphere coming in contact with the fire, and then the candle is burning. When you put the glass inverted, okay, when you cover the candle with the help of the glass, you can see no burning of fire. Because why it is not burning the candle, children? The supply of air is stopped. Okay, the air is not entering into the glass, so that you can see the supply of air is stopped, so no burning of candle you can observe. Okay, by this small experiment we can say that oxygen or air is necessary for burning the candle or any object. Okay, children. Yes. Now let us see the next one. Air is used to produce energy. Yes, we know that air is compulsory used for producing energy. In what way? Windmills. Windmills use air to produce energy. This energy is used to make different things work. Different kinds of windmills are used for pumping water, grinding grains, and to generate electricity. Children, see here, this is the windmill. Okay, due to the wind only, due to the air only, this windmill is turning. Okay, when it is turning heavily, you can see the supply of electricity or generating the electricity. Even the pumping of water also you can observe. Grinding the grains also you can observe. With the help of the wind only, they are generating the electricity. Did you understand, children? Yes. By this we can say air is used to produce energy also. Now let us see the last one. Air is used to inflate objects. In previous class we have seen that how the air is inflating the object. Yes children, how it is taking the shape and how it is inflating the objects. How air is used to inflate the objects. We can inflate objects like balloons, basketballs, footballs and tires of vehicles. The air which is filled inside the tires helps vehicles to run easily and smoothly, maintaining balance on the road. Children, see here the picture. Air is used to inflate tire. What is happening? The man is pumping the tire. What is that pumping? He is giving the air into the tire. So that what happens? The tires are becoming tight and they are helping the vehicles to run easily and smoothly on the road. They should maintain the balance on the road, no children? Yes. Due to this air inside the tire only, the tires are helping the vehicle to maintain the balance on the road. Okay, it may be football or it may be basketball or it may be balloons. How they are doing? We are blowing the gas into the tires, footballs, basketballs, so that the balls are becoming very tight and we are able to play with the balls or we are able to run on the road, okay, on the vehicles. That is the air is used to inflate the objects. Okay children, now all of you turn here. Let us see. The inflate here, do in document 7. Children, we are having one more do in document 7. What is that? Let us see now. What are the materials required? 2 footballs. Take 2 footballs, let one of them be deflated and the other one is properly inflated. Bounce them on the ground. Note your observation. Children, take 2 footballs. Okay, one ball should be deflated. Deflated means no air should be there in the ball. The another ball should be inflated. Inflated means full of air should be there in another ball. Then try to bounce both the balls on the ground. You can see the air which is filled with the air which is inflated in the ball bounces very quickly. The ball which is deflated, you don't see any bouncing in that ball. Okay children? Yes. Now write which football bounces better. The air which is having the ball. Okay, the ball which is having the air that bounces very quickly. Yes. Now the inflated football bounced better because there is air in it, which exerts a lot of pressure on all sides. It helps the football in maintaining its shape and to bounce better. Okay children, yes, the ball which is having air or else the ball which is inflated bounces very quickly when compared to the other ball which is deflated. Okay, yes, so that we can say that the air exerts force also. Okay children, yes. Okay, yeah, by this what we have seen different type of things that uses of air. We have seen air is used for photosynthesis, air is needed for burning, air is used to produce energy and air is used to inflate objects. Okay, these 4 things we have seen in this class. All of you go through the textbook so that you will get a clear idea. If you want to conclude also, you can do small activities. By that you can conclude that air exerts pressure, air exerts force and air is needed for burning, air is needed for photosynthesis, everything. Okay children, all of you go through the lesson till where we have completed so that you can get a clear idea. All of you take it at home and bye.